Have you ever wondered how to make your first $1,000 in 30 days? There's a fast-paced, dynamic world out there that could be your key to achieving this goal, the world of affiliate marketing. Picture this. You promote a product or service, and when a sale is made through your referral, you earn a commission. Simple, isn't it? But it's not just about simplicity, it's about the potential for generating significant income online. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate, powerful method that can change your life financially. It's a brilliant way to harness the power of the internet, connect consumers with products they need, and earn a profit while doing so. The key to success? Choosing a product with immense potential. With affiliate marketing, you have the potential to earn big, and it all starts with choosing a product with great potential. One such product that stands out is ImuRegen. This remarkable product has been making waves in the health and wellness sector for its unique features and immense benefits. It's not just another health supplement, it's a game changer. ImuRegen works effectively at the DNA level. Yes, you heard that right, the DNA level. Our DNA holds the blueprint of life. It's the manual that guides growth, development, and the fight against health threats. It even instructs the repair of damaged cells and organs. Now you might be thinking, what about stem cells? Well, here's the thing, DNA controls stem cells. It's like the maestro of an orchestra, directing every instrument to create a harmonious symphony of health. The journey of ImuRegen began in the 1950s in the Czech Republic. Decades of dedicated research and development have gone into this product, ensuring its effectiveness and safety. This isn't a fly-by-night operation. It's a product of science, commitment, and a deep understanding of human health. The formula was so unique and groundbreaking it was patented in 1983. ImuRegen is exclusively distributed by Forever Healthy Products LLC, providing an opportunity for you to be part of a global network, promoting a product that truly makes a difference. Now let's talk about the benefits of ImuRegen. This isn't just about earning potential, though that's definitely a big plus. It's about promoting better health, strong immunity, and powerful cell regeneration. Imagine a product that not only contributes to your financial well-being, but also supports your physical well-being. It influences longevity and provides a robust defense against health threats. In essence, ImuRegen is a product that offers the best of both worlds. It's a chance to earn a significant income while promoting a product that supports health at the most fundamental level, the DNA. With ImuRegen, you not only have the potential to earn big, but you can also enjoy better health. Are you ready to change your life both financially and health-wise? Now is the time to seize this opportunity. This is your chance to not only earn a potential substantial income, but also improve your health, thanks to ImuRegen. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Click the like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Why? Because we've got more exciting information coming your way. Information that could potentially change your life for the better, but that's not all. If you're interested in becoming an affiliate, all you have to do is click the link in the description below. There you'll find your invitation code. Register for free. Yes, you heard it right, free. Once registered, you'll receive information coaching you through the next steps to build your affiliate marketing business with Forever Health Products LLC. Start your journey towards financial freedom and better health today. Click the link to register as an affiliate and let's generate your first $1,000 in 30 days.